Hi guys, my name is Diksha and you are most welcome to my channel, and I really feeling grateful that you all have loving my content and loving my videos so much, and thank you so much. Just please stick with me and do follow me on my Instagram, and yeah. So being an HR, it's a very responsibility to hire a candidate and conducting interviews for filling that vacancies. But in this time of coronavirus, most of people are losing their jobs, and they are like unemployed. So in this time, uh, being an HR, we have so many kind of things we have prepared for our interview procedure. Just we are conducting Skype interviews or telephonic interviews, or like so many procedures we have to adopting in this challenging crisis time. So I have prepared five most important questions which are mostly asked in interview in an HR round. Most of people asked and the research on Google that what are the important questions the HR is asked in interview round. So I just have a list of five most important questions which you are guys prepared for your interview, and let's start the video, and best of luck for your interviews. Yeah, so number one question is mostly like 99.9% interviews have asked in number first is, tell me something about yourself. That is very basic and initial question which the HR is going to ask you initially, because tell me something about yourself में आपने अपने बारे में बताना है. बहुत से जो कैंडिडेट्स हमारे पास आते हैं वो पहले बताते हैं कि मेरा नाम ये है, मैं यहाँ रहता हूँ, मेरे भाई बहन ये करते हैं, मेरे मदर फादर ये करते हैं. Just being a professional for giving you the first attracting look. Just कि अपने फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन छोड़ना, हाँ कि like you are the most attractive person. Just tell little about yourself, that my name is something, and I have completed my this degree from this university or college, and I just want to work with your reputed company. Just that. If the HR is asked something from that question, only then you will tell something like further. Okay, so tell me something about yourself is very important and necessary question. So अगर आप इस सिर्फ इस क्वेश्चन पे अगर आप इफ़ यू वांट कि मैं वीडियो बनाऊँ, तो आई विल प्रिपेयर only that video for only that questions. But that is the number one question. And number two is, why do you work in this company, or why do you work with us, कि आप हमारी कंपनी में क्यों काम करना चाहते हैं. ऑब्वियसली कि कोई भी अगर पर्सन है, कोई भी कैंडिडेट है, वो आपकी कंपनी में इस तरीके से तो नहीं आया कि उससे आपके साथ ही काम करना है, राइट. वो आपकी कंपनी में इसलिए आया है क्योंकि आपकी कंपनी की एक रेप्यूटेशन है, आपकी कंपनी का नाम सुनकर वो आया है, राइट. तो आपको क्या करना है. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ था. जब मैं इनिशियली इंटरव्यूज़ देने जाती थी, तो मैं जस्ट एंटर इन द इंटरव्यू रूम, एंड अगर वो कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है तो ऑब्वियसली वो अपनी कंपनी के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ तारीफ तो सुनना चाहता ही होगा ना. तो आपको जब जाना है किसी कंपनी में, जस्ट उस कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज लेकर जानी है. जस्ट गूगल पे सर्च करना है उस कंपनी का नेम, उस कंपनी की वेबसाइट ओपन होगी, और उस कंपनी की वेबसाइट में कितने एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, क्या काम करती है कंपनी, क्या सर्विस देती है, जस्ट उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा स्टडी करके जाना है, सो दैट यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट HR राउंड, राइट. Third question is, what is your strength and weaknesses? Mostly cases, the strength and weaknesses are about yourself, not about your habits, not about your fears. It is only about your strength and weaknesses. But do a list, like take a pen or paper, do a list that you have certain strengths or you have certain weaknesses. But be careful that your strengths is like more than your weaknesses. Like your weaknesses is that you are less confident in talking to strange persons, right? That is one, because you are a fresher. In case you are a fresher but you are experienced, then this weakness is not working there. You are not like that you have 4 years of experience but you are not confident to talking with stranger person, with a client. Okay, so as well as your strength is like, I am really confident in talking with someone, my communication skills are very good. So like that, take a pen or paper, think about that, and make a list of 4 or 3 strengths or weaknesses about yourself, right? So let's move to the next one. It is why you change your job field. A job field is like, if you are change your field, like if you are from BTech background and suddenly you are shifting from a shift in MBA. So with your CV or your documents, the person will ask that question ki why you are changing your job field, right? So just to say that I am not prepared in my previous like I am not prepared, and no one with me to guide the proper specification of that. So that's why I just wanted to grow in my life. So I just quit that purpose, because हम इस तरीके से उनको इम्प्रेस कर सकते हैं कि 4 years के एक कोर्स के लिए मैं अपनी पूरी लाइफ तो सेक्रीफाइस नहीं कर सकता या कर सकती. So I think that is a smart answer that we have given to the person sitting next to me, or we just impress that time. Okay, so let's next, what is your salary expectations? If the HR is saying that what is your salary expectations, so not being so over smart and not saying that I have taken so much and so much package from the previous company, or my expectation is that, just to say that my salary expectations is, I know just my qualifications, my degree or my knowledge. So just I am satisfied with according to the norms and policies of the company, what are you people giving to me, right? That is really smart questions, and that is also very important question in HR round. Okay, so last is, how can you become an asset of the company? Like it is most probably the important question that people asked you. Yeah, that is also very important that HR asks to you, that why you become an asset of the company. So giving smartly answer that, if I like totally giving my whole power and whole my knowledge to the giving project or the specific company, so I'll be I am long time employee for the company, and so that's why I become the asset of the company. So it is that confidently and giving smartly, just with a smile, and be confident, and just you have to give in your, like अगर आप दिल से बात करोगे, अगर आप फेक नहीं बनोगे, तो it is very surely that you have most chances, 90% chances that you are clearing your interview. So बस इतना ही आज की वीडियो के लिए. So I will be get back to you with another important and like knowledgeful video with you. So just be stick with me and just follow me. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को एक लाइक दे देना और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। सो आप सब अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए एंड बाय बाय।